Hi, I'm Dave. I'm the founder of EarthChamp, and we are experts in making vegan protein powder. I founded the business about 10 years ago here in Dublin, in Ireland. The goals for our business are very simple. Plant-based is something that people need more of. It's something that the world needs more of. And we make a really great vegan protein powder. So there's a huge opportunity for us to help spread the word about plant-based in our products right across the world. We have our own production facility here in Dublin where we make all of our own products. And before any product leaves our facility, we taste test each and every batch to make sure that it's up to our high standards. Before we were on Amazon, we were a very small business that we're selling mostly in Ireland. And after getting on Amazon 5 years later, 90% of our business is Amazon. The first challenge that Amazon helped us with was finding new customers and exporting. We started selling on Amazon in the US, the UK and Germany, and suddenly the world really opened up to us. And the second challenge that Amazon helped us with was logistics. So it's very challenging to get our product from right here in Ireland across the world. However, by using fulfillment by Amazon, what it meant is that we can export our product in bulk to Amazon's centers in Berlin or Boston or wherever, and Amazon then take care of all the logistics from that point onwards. It's been amazing. The first thing that I'd say to any brand who's considering to sell on Amazon is have a look around and see the number of people who are buying things online. It's increasing every day. So it's really something that you should consider. And then the second thing is, from our perspective, people are looking for more plant-based products. The planet needs more plant-based products as well. So it's a really exciting opportunity for us to help spread the word about plant-based products and to do that on Amazon.